Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have a Microsoft 365 account and Copilot enabled in your account settings. Sign in and grant the minimal permissions Copilot requests so it can access documents and email. Once done, open Word, Outlook, Teams, or Edge, whichever you use now, and place the cursor where you want help. Ask a short, specific prompt. Summarize, draft, or create. This immediate action avoids setup delays and gets Copilot working on real content. You now move into the core workflow. Give Copilot context, what you want, who the audience is, and the tone. For example, provide a goal and a desired length, then ask Copilot to draft. Once it returns a result, refine, request edits, ask for bullet summaries, or demand 5 variants. Make sure to use available templates and data connectors so Copilot pulls accurate info. This iterative approach turns rough output into polished work and keeps you in control of changes. You finish by reviewing Copilot's output carefully. Check facts, tone, and any sensitive data before sharing. Once satisfied, export, integrate into your workflow, or save a version for rollback. If you spot errors, ask Copilot to revise with precise instructions. Use examples to steer style. If things go wrong, Copilot hallucinated or misinterpreted, clear the chat context, restate constraints, and provide concrete data points. This resets behavior and prevents repeat mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.